Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back on the 2019 Buick Encore. Right now I'm just gonna reinstall the airbags. Pretty straightforward. The steering wheel and the knee. The knee I just have to plug it back in, put two screws, that's done. And the airbag just plugs in and clips on. The problem is sometimes during accidents, the plugs right here, they kind of melt into the airbag. As you can see, these I had to pry them out, just break them off. So the plan right now, I ordered two new plugs that go right in their place. This is one, and I have the other one right here. As you can see, they're identical. They just got to be spliced and soldered in place, and then reinstalled. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's get to it. This one actually came green instead of pink, so the colors doesn't match, but it does the same function. This is more like a universal GM, Ford, and anybody uses those type of airbags. Okay, so they're mounted, good to go. Give it a shot. That's it. Airbags should be installed. That's it. Steering wheel airbag, it's installed. Not for the knee. Today I'm back on the 2019 Buick Encore. I just want to get this project done and out of here. I haven't forgotten about the other projects I got on the channel. Today I'm going to be putting in the ABS computer as well as the driver's side seatbelt. It came back ready for being repaired. I have it right here. I'm going to install everything and see if it works. Let's get to it. Days since I painted the front bumper. Everything came out pretty good. Off camera, I assembled the front of the Buick. I just had to get ahead of it, and I'll show you the end result now. You see, I put everything back together. Everything was pretty good. There's a slight gap right here that I'm gonna have to tweak, but I'll take care of that. Overall, thing came out pretty good. I'll show you a before and after shot. I did reuse the bottom grill and the top grill that was still good on the old bumper. Other than that, came out pretty good. You see at the beginning of the video, I got all the airbags on, all the seat belts, and I even started up. You can see just telling me about the needs of oil change and memory features, and the seatbelt lights on. As soon as I put that on, there's no warning lights whatsoever, no airbag lights, no check engine lights, so everything's back to stock, working beautifully. It's running 100%, no issues. The AC is cold after I recharged it, and everything here is working. Radio, navigation. So that's a win. I'm gonna call this the end of the project Buick Encore. Hand it over to my wife so she can register it and get it on the road. The back. There was no damage in the back ever, so. So I'll say that was a win. Not bad for getting everything fixed and repaired here at the house, my home garage. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it very much. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video.